So hello guys, my name is Ganesh. So in this video we'll design this thing in CatchUFI software. So without wasting time, let me open the software. So it is okay now. So go to start mechanical design part design. So now okay, we are in the part design page. Now see the figure. I want to develop it from front view. So I'm choosing the position sketch option. I have explained the difference between these two sketches. So I have chosen the position sketch option and choosing the front plane. Clicking on OK. Now we are in the drafting section. So take these two circles, give the dimensions. So half I need. Okay. Give the dimensions. One is 80 and 48. So click on the dimension constraint. Click on and drag the dimension. Double click on them and edit the dimensions 80, 48. So now okay. We need only half part. So another half we don't need. For that we need to use trim option to cut the unnecessary parts. So okay, now it is not a closed body. I have to close this. So zoom on, you can see now it is a closed one. Now it becomes a closed one. Now we can use 3D features. So up to what length? Okay. So we will calculate. So drawing it is not mentioned the length of this extrusion. So that's okay, fine. So let me exit from this web page. And if I want to add the material, what should I use? Pad command I use. So nearly I'm taking mirror extend option. I'm giving the 75. Click on OK. So now it will be 150. So half I given. So mirror extend is enabled means you have to give a half only. So now click on, here is a measure tool. So click on two faces that you want to measure. So now you can see here it is a 150. So if these dimensions are not visible in your case, click on the customize and tick these both. Now these x, y, z components will be visible. Click on the isometric view again. So now what is remind means there is a specification tree. So we already explained these things. So it is our part. So it is a pad that we done, and for that sketch is there. If you want to edit, double click on the sketch. You can modify the dimensions if it is any mistake. So right now there is no mistakes, that's why I'm not changing any dimensions. I'm just only showing you. Now you can see there is an extrusion from here, which is at a distance of 20 plus, which is at a distance of 20 from the outer circumference of the extrusion. So I have to create a plane for that, which is at a distance of this 60. Okay. Now click on the position sketch again and click on this plane. So here we need a rectangle. So it is like a rectangle shape. Okay, click on the center rectangle like here, specify the midpoint and drag the mouse like this. So click on the dimensions, click on this line and click on that line. So you will get a distance. Now right click on the coincide. So these two will be coincide. That's what the drawing is given. You can do the same by dialog box as well. So now specify the dimensions that are given in the drawing. So what they are, it is a 48 length and a 20 width. 48, double click, 48, enter, double click, 20, enter. Now it is okay. Now for adding the material, I'm choosing the pad tool and reversing the direction. So if I click OK, the extrusion is beyond the point. So you can see here. So for that I'm choosing the extrusion type to up to next only. So see, this is how the up to next option will works. Click on OK. Now till here it is okay. Till here it is okay. Now the same thing we want on opposite side as well. We can use the 3D mirror option, but not now. We will use that later. So here is a hole, and directly using the hole command and choosing the position sketch for properly constraining that. One more thing is, if the sketch is in green color, it means it is fully constrained, and the sketch is in white color, it is not constrained. So diameter of the hole is Okay, it's not given, so so click on the dimension constraint, click on the point on this edge, you will get the distance. Double click and edit it to mid, and click on this line and this point, click on right click. So or else you can give 0, or else you can give coincide relation. Click on exit, update the whole diameter. So it is not given in the drawing, so take whatever it is, you can take. So it is a through hole, so I'm choosing the option up to last, so the hole will be at last. So here you can see it is a touching the inner body as well. For that I need to constrain this. I'm increasing this value to 4, so not on this side. Double click, enter minus value here, double click, double click. Okay, so take the point and this edge, double click and update the value. So I exit from this workbench, and you can see now it is okay. So it is okay now. Click on OK, click on the isometric view. So now another rectangular box is there, rectangular extrusion is there. Okay, click on that plane, so I'm adding that. So at a distance of 10, so click on the 10 minus 10. Okay, our required plane is applied here. Now click on the position sketch and select the plane. Ensure that these axes are aligned properly. If you are OK means you can click on OK. So now you are entering to this sketcher workbench. Now choose a rectangle, center rectangle I'm choosing. Click place center points and drag the cursor for corner of the rectangle. Now click on the constraints, or else you can select the two edges by pressing and hold the control button and use the constraint define dialog box using the coincide relation. So now look upon for the dimensions. One is a 48, it is a 48 and it is 64. Double click 64, it is okay. And in the middle there is a slot is there. You can draw that slot as well by double clicking on this. You can again edit the sketch, click on this and you can specify the slot. So now look for the slot dimensions, which is a R8 radius. Double click, R8 radius. Okay, now 16 is a mid distance and 16 is a distance of center of the circle to the edge. So this is a 16, double click 16 and we'll specify this point. So from the point to the edge is also 16. So click on this point and this edge, drag the mouse and double click the dimensions, you can hit. So that's all. Click on exit. So now we need to give the thickness. So I choose the pad command, it is in the opposite direction. I'm choosing the reverse direction and I am giving the thickness, extrusion length. So 12 I need only, so I'm clicking the 12 only. Preview. Okay, that's it guys. So the same things that we have in this side should we have on the other side as well. For that we can simply use this mirror option, 3D mirror. So I'm activating the command and choosing the pad from the specification tree. So select the extrusion and click on the mid plane. So okay, so how this side it seems like to be other side. So this is the use of this mirror too, 3D mirror.